Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration. Welcome to a world where even the smallest spaces can transform into the most stunning sanctuaries. Your balcony, whether tiny or spacious, is a golden opportunity to create an oasis of comfort, relaxation, and beauty. But how do you make the most of it? Well, in today's video, we're diving into some brilliant balcony design ideas that will elevate your outdoor space to a whole new level. Whether you dream of a cozy retreat, a lush green paradise, or a stylish entertainment area, I've got you covered. So grab a cup of your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's explore 5 stunning ways to transform your balcony into a personal haven. And if you love home decor and styling, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. You won't want to miss out on more inspiration-packed videos like this one. If you crave a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life, turning your balcony into a cozy retreat is the way to go. Start with a comfortable seating arrangement. Think a plush lounge chair, a hammock, or a small outdoor sofa. Layer it up with soft cushions, throws, and textured fabrics to add warmth and coziness. For lighting, opt for string lights, lanterns, or battery-powered candles to create a soft and inviting glow in the evening. A small side table for your book and a cup of tea makes the space feel like an extension of your living room. Love the idea of stepping into a green paradise? Then this balcony idea is for you. Plants breathe life into a space, making it feel fresh, vibrant, and inviting. For a lush look, go for a mix of hanging plants, potted greenery, and vertical gardens. Consider climbing plants like ivy or jasmine for a natural privacy screen. If you don't have much floor space, invest in wall-mounted planters or tiered plant stands to create that dreamy jungle effect. And don't forget, a mini herb garden is a fantastic way to bring fresh aromas and flavors to your kitchen while keeping your balcony beautiful. Basil, mint, rosemary, and thyme thrive in small spaces and add a delightful touch of green. If you love sleek and modern aesthetics, why not create a chic and stylish lounge right on your balcony? This look is all about clean lines, elegant materials, and sophisticated accents. Start with neutral or monochrome furniture, perhaps a modern rattan set or metal-framed chairs with chic cushions. For an extra touch of glam, incorporate gold or brass accents, like a sleek side table or decorative lanterns. Adding a rug with bold geometric patterns or a faux fur throw can instantly elevate the space. And for that final luxurious touch, a small bar cart with elegant glassware, a few candles, and a stylish vase with fresh flowers. If you're enjoying these ideas so far, now is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And don't forget to give this video a like and drop a comment below. What's your favorite way to style a balcony? I'd love to hear from you. Who says you need a big backyard to enjoy outdoor dining? With the right setup, your balcony can become the perfect spot for morning coffee, sunset cocktails, or even a romantic dinner. Choose a compact bistro table set to maximize space while still allowing for a stylish and comfortable dining experience. Warm, soft lighting such as fairy lights, LED candles, or a chic pendant lamp will create the perfect atmosphere. A small outdoor rug can help define the space, while elegant table settings, like woven placemats, ceramic plates, and glassware, will make even the simplest meal feel special. For an added touch of charm, decorate with a centerpiece, a small potted plant, fresh flowers, or even a candle arrangement. Suddenly, dining at home feels like a five-star experience. If your balcony is small but mighty, you'll want to make the most of every inch. This means creating a multifunctional space that adapts to your lifestyle. Consider a built-in bench with storage underneath. It provides seating and hides away extra cushions, blankets, or gardening tools. If you work from home, a compact fold-down desk mounted to the railing can serve as an outdoor workstation. For those who love fitness, a small yoga or workout corner with a neatly stored mat and a few dumbbells can keep you active while enjoying fresh air. And for entertainment lovers, a mini outdoor projector setup can turn your balcony into a private open-air movie theater. Whatever your needs, the key is to think vertically, use multi-purpose furniture, and keep things organized. And there you have it, 5 amazing ways to design your dream balcony. Whether you prefer a cozy retreat, a green oasis, a stylish lounge, an alfresco dining area, or a multifunctional space, there's an idea here for everyone. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these balcony styles speaks to you the most? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe for more home decor inspiration, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with anyone looking for fresh balcony ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy decorating!